Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these yarn ghosts, and they're pretty easy to do. You just need a book, some yarn, scissors, and I'll show you how to make these for Halloween. So let's get started. So take like a medium-sized book, nothing too big unless you want your ghost to be long, and then wrap it around 50 times, and then you'll cut after you have it wrapped about 50 times. You can make them thicker if you like, if you want to do more than 50. Okay, now you're going to just cut right across at the bottom there. Okay, now you're just going to fold it in half and then tie it with some yarn right in the center. For the head, you are going to go up about a couple inches and tie it right there in place to create the head. And you're going to do that. Make sure it's smoothed out, and then tie it a couple of times to secure it for the head. Okay, now you're going to take your scissors and cut it across for all the little frays and to make it even. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can make them in all different colors, and you can take a marker and add a face, or you can add googly eyes with a hot glue gun and just dress them up however you like, and it's really easy to do. These are great. You can make a garland out of them. You could place them in a bookmark, hang them up around your house. This is a really fun activity that's pretty easy to do in a classroom or with your kids. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.